Welcome to Think Mental's digital classroom. Right now you're on the homepage. Here you can access the My Classroom page, where you can view class assessment results and student portfolios. Alternatively, you can access My Classroom at any time using the link at the top of every page. You can also access preparation and planning documents and PD and support. Underneath are year level tabs. Within each year level tab is the list of units. Unit 1 is an introduction to the program, Units 2 to 19 teach mental math strategies, and Units 20 to 32 revise the strategies. Select a unit name to go to that unit where you'll find teaching resources and daily activities. In the navigation bar, you'll find Eyes Up Front, which allows you to get your students' attention off their devices and back on you. When you activate Eyes Up Front, all the students in your classroom have their access to Think Mentals temporarily suspended, and they see a pop-up instructing them to pay attention to their teacher. You can deactivate Eyes Up Front when you're ready to let your students continue using the program.